Independence Day. Today is Independence Day, but I'm really surprised that are we enjoying our Independence Day or not? And that is why I just want to share my view with you guys. The point is that as I'm living in West Bengal and I have a very nostalgic feeling with our own Howrah Bridge. Howrah Bridge is very important for every Bengalis and it has lots of emotion attached with us, and we are very happy to see Howrah Bridge. And when I see Howrah Bridge, I have lots of questions arises that the Britishers ruled in our country and they were the main reason behind Howrah Bridge, and they were really made something amazing which is working now also. But in our current situations, now we are independent, we got our independence and we don't know how to enjoy it. Why? Because nowadays whenever I see in India all the politicians, all the high profile persons, whenever they make something which doesn't work well, as we see the bridges of today's India, we see the bridges of all around India, they are not working so well. After 1 month they are just collapsed, and we are so much fearful whenever we are crossing through the bridge, and we think that we are enjoying our independence. Lots of people injured, lots of people are died because of this collapsed, but we are enjoying our independence. And that is why I think what the Britishers made earlier was working much more than what we made today. Second thing, our government officials, especially banks, I have lots of memory which I want to share with you, and I think you will agree with me. In our area there are lots of banks like Allahabad Bank, State Banks, and when I go there at 10 o'clock we have to stand in a long queue, and after 10 o'clock they just open their gate, and when we enter we see that no bankers were available. They all are just enjoying their tea, they all are enjoying their talk, they are all enjoying by making some fun with each other. And when it 10:30, they just come and sit and say what to do and what not to do. And we are on the queue. And we are just waiting that when sir will come and do our work. Because we don't have anything now. We are just free. We are independent. We don't have any work. We are just free and the bankers are so busy. Okay. So when we enter into the bank, there is a queue which I have told earlier. Then when we go at 10 or 45, they just again go somewhere. And we ask, why sir you are not working? So they say, server is not working. I am doing my 100%, but server is not working. So how can I do my work? You just wait. Yeah sir, we will wait because we don't have anything to do with it, because we are independent, we live in an independent country, right? And that is why we are enjoying Independence Day. Very good. And thirdly, I see that lots of rich people, they always say that do something for them, do something for that, women empowerment, this, blah, blah. But most of the cases, anti-social cases, happen in the high-profile families. Yeah, high-profile families. And no one has any power to just make anything wrong or say anything wrong against them, because they are high-profile family now, and we are very low class, and we are enjoying our Independence Day. Very nice. Third point I have already tell. Now fourth point. Number fourth point is, I'm very surprised to see all the rich people. They behave with the poor people so stupidly, with the hawkers, with the electricians, with the plumbers, everyone who is very poor or they don't have so much money, they don't have so much of status or whatever. So the high profile or the rich family, they always order them. They always behave that they are the rich people and they can do and they can say whatever, and the person who is working under, they should remain silent. If something is wrong happening, they can't say anything. And we are enjoying our independence day. Wow, great. So, now you will think that today is the Independence Day and Madam is talking about negative. What kind of independence she is enjoying? So, I will say that I enjoy my independence fully, like my own way. I don't care about what the whole world is doing, because what the world is doing, it's their matter. It's not my matter. I enjoy my Independence Day. How? First of all, I always try to go to the market and I see the most old person who is selling vegetables, who is selling things, because I think he needs much more money than the younger one, because he is older, he needs more money. So I always try to buy something from the older one and I enjoy my independence like this way. Second point, I always try not to bargain with them, because they are very poor people. Whenever we go to the malls, whenever we go to the multiplex, we spend lots of money, and whenever we go to the 5-star hotels, we give 500 rupees to the waiter. But when we buy something from the vendors or from any hawkers, we say, can we bargain? Like if they say it's 40 rupees kilo, sir, we say 20 rupees kilo नहीं होगा क्या? 30 में कर देना. तेरा क्या जाता है? 10 rupees bargaining. Do you understand what are you doing, man? I never bargain, because I think this 10 rupees is very important for that person. He is very poor. He will spend each and every rupee for the benefit of his family, and we are taking that also, and we are enjoying independence, and that is why I never bargain. I think it's my duty not to bargain with the vendors, with the hawkers, because they are very poor people. Thirdly, I always give my 100% respect to each and every citizen of India, because I think if someone is poor, it's not his fault, it's the fault of destiny. But we should respect each and every one. Poor means not he has no one, he has the God, and God has all the records of our karma. What we do, we will get it back, and that is why I give respect to each and every one. Whenever some vendors or someone is there who is poor or who has nothing, I always try to talk with them. Not because I am so mahan. No. That is not a question. Because I also want to know their life. I also want to know how they stay, how they live. So I can relate with them, or I can say something, or I can learn something from them. Yes, I always try to learn from poor people. Why? Because they have also very much knowledge. I learn from my maid lots of things. I learn from all the people who are working around me. And I think no one is bigger, no one is smaller, no one is taller, no one is normal, no one is nothing. Everyone is equal in this planet, and we have to give respect. And I enjoy my independence like this way. Now, it's your turn. Just you share your views with me in the comment section, and you write how you enjoy your independence. I think it will give me encouragement that I will also learn something from you guys, because you are my main persons who give me some knowledge about. Because I think I am not perfect. No one is perfect in this world. If I am not perfect, I can learn from you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and Vande Mataram. Thank you.